Alright, this free tutorial will help you on how to create a picture edit fast in Capcut PC.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
In order to do so, go to the top left hand screen and scroll to the right and then click templates. In this case, we're going to click the drop down arrow and click the For You page. So right here in the search bar, you can type in the following: Trent space edit. Basically, I'm using one of these free Capcut PC template editing templates, which is a video. Something that looks similar to adding in multiple photos. And basically, if you want, just find and locate one that looks similar like this. As you can see, we have to add multiple photos. So just basically find one under Trend Edits and then just drag this onto the timeline like so. So as you can see, we need to click here on the timeline on the video, and we need to replace all of these separate images and input it as your own. In this case, I have already done so. As you can see, this is what we currently have. This is how you can create picture edits fast in Capcut PC completely for free.